Hi everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami dog. You will need a Sharpie pen or any felt tip, a ruler, and a piece of paper, squared or rectangle. If you have a rectangular paper, I advise you to grab the right corner and fold it over to form a right angle triangle and then cut off the excess using a ruler. Then once you have a right angle triangle, fold that over to form a smaller right angle triangle. Then open up the triangle and fold over one flap. This will form the dog ear. Then you will need to fold the other corner and form another flap. This will be the second dog ear. Next, open it back up. If you notice you have folded the flap incorrectly, bring them forward facing towards you. Then from the bottom, fold the two flaps upwards. Then you will need to fold it inside. Then grab a Sharpie or felt tip and draw on the eyes, and if you want, you can draw on some eyelashes too. Next, you will need to draw the nose by forming a triangle on the flap. Once you have drew the nose, draw two curvy lines and a tongue. Then you can draw freckles on both sides of the flap. If you want, it is also optional to draw spots on both ears. Thank you for watching. I cannot wait to see your masterpieces.